My Fun Boxes sent me over some blind boxes to open with you guys. I am so excited because I have none of these. I want to thank My Fun Boxes for sending these over. I do have a discount code with them, and if you want to get any of these, you can use my code Mika12. It will get you a discount, and I will leave the link in my bio and the discount code in my bio. They also sent over as well some air fresheners. I can't wait to put these in my car. You guys know I love my Labubus, and oh, I'm so excited. So keen. So I don't know which one I want to open up first. I might do the Nomi. Let's do the Nomi. All right, so I only got one Nomi, so this is a new one for me. I really want to get probably maybe the pink, either the green or the yellow. And I'm not sure what the secret is, but let's see what I got. And these are pretty hefty too, they're pretty big. All right, I got the, oh wow, the black one. Ooh, this one, Eclipse it's called. Oh my God, look at that. She is cute. And she's got like something in the middle there as well. Very, very cute. Is she a plush pendant? Yep, she's a plush pendant. That's the card. And then she does come with a ring as well. So that is her. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh, the eyes. I forgot about the eyes. Cute. Let's do some Lulu the Piggy. These are my first Lulu the Piggies. I've been actually hunting these, so I'm so glad they sent these over. I'm going to do this one first. It's the Joyful Time series. I really want the pink, the green, or the purple. Honestly, I do love them all. I think they're really cute, so. Oh, even the secrets are cute. Or the ones with the bags, they're cute. And I got the, oh, it's in my thing. Oh, the green one. Oh, she's cute. What is this one? Oh, look at her. Or he, I don't know. Is it a he or a she? I don't know. Relax Teddy, it's that one. Oh, I love this. I don't actually have a green pendant yet, so pretty excited for that one. Let's try this one. This one, Teddy Lulu. Oh, I like them all. Probably not the green because I just got a green one. Honestly, I really don't mind. Maybe the Witchy Teddy. Yeah, let's see. Oh, this one doesn't have a blind bag. And I got the, oh, I got the one I wanted. Cute. Oh, so cute. I am a neutral girly at heart. So that is that one. Gorgeous. Love that. All right, Mickey. Oh, these are so cute. I see so many people opening these up. I really want to get Chippendale. I really want Chippendale, or I like probably Mickey, but I really want Chippendale. All right. So excited. And I got, oh, I got, what's her name? Daisy. Oh, Daisy's so cute. I think Sage is gonna love this one a lot. That is her. That is the card. She is so cute. Yeah, she's cute. Sage is going to froth over this one, I think. So these are all the ones that I got today. Again, thank you so much for sending these over my fun boxes. Again, I have left all the links in my bio, and definitely use my discount code to pick up something for yourself.